Why are there not more people talking about the battle of stealth jets? Let's dive into the showdown between China's J-20, Russia's Su-57, and US stealth fighters. The J-20, China's pride, boasts advanced avionics and long-range capabilities. It's designed to sneak past enemy radars. But how does it fare against Russia's Su-57? The Su-57 isn't just stealthy. It's agile and can perform insane maneuvers. With powerful sensors and supercruise ability, it's a beast in the air. But wait, how do these compare to the US stealth icons? The F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II set the gold standard with superior stealth, unmatched technology, and combat-proven performance. So, who dominates the skies? It's a tough call, but one thing's for sure. The battle of stealth jets is just heating up. Subscribe for more epic comparisons and military tech insights. Catch you in the next video.